Wait, where's it going? Huh? Oh, it is? To the actual abandoned platform?
It's not abandoned.
Yeah.
This is actually good because if there's workers, we could ask them, yo, can we get some footage about it?
Yo, why can't we go down there? Like, it would be cool if we went down there.
It's the MTA.
Is it actually going? Whoa. Nah, you can't be serious. Yeah. No, it's gonna. Wait. It is going. Yeah, it's going lower level. Crap, I didn't expect it to go on lower level.
I know. I thought I was gonna be on the middle.
No.
Tio, at least hit the horn, bro.
Hit the horn. Come on, hit the horn. Nah, it's not gonna make. Nah, see? We can't even see it from here now.
The horns on those like the whistle type, right?
Yeah.
Like on the R1.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no,
Why is it stopping?
hold on, there's something else.
Oh, the R160, finally.
Fuck.
At least.
Wait.
Hey, there we go.
If they stop it, no, they're not gonna do that.
It'll actually work.
I don't even know how to put it. 60.
Well, that's it.
60? I don't even know, bro.